Welcome to Chem News. I'm Fabricio Garcia, and I will introduce you to the world of science. Let's see science from a different point of view. Science is all. It's your bed, your toothbrush, your notebook, your parents' car, among other things that are around you. You know, science is knowledge of facts that interact with the natural world, and its only truth. All of this shows us that it could be different types of sciences: astronomy, biology, physics, chemistry, etc. But on what we want to focus is on chemistry. Chemistry plays an important role in most sciences. Nowadays, chemistry contributes in biology, physics, medicine, and other different disciplines that lead to new discoveries. Scientists have developed new things as chemotherapy, synthetic nutrients that mimic all of those things are real. So here's when another magical and awesome thing is going on. By using that scientific information in practical use in a way we live technology.
Drugs, vaccines, and antibiotics to protect against disease. Surgical operations include chemicals such as antiseptics, disinfectants, and other materials. Plastics are used to manufacture syringes, latex gloves, prostheses, etc. Neurotransmitters, chemicals that alter neurons, thus allow neural communication. In surgery, titanium is one of the most used metals. Anesthesia is also a contribution of chemistry.
Food because of the chemical compounds found in all our foods. Everything we eat is made up of oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, and carbon, and the only difference is how these elements are organized in different foods, which also affects how certain foods are digested and metabolized. By several industrial and chemical processes, scientists have innovated the way of cultivating vegetables in the agricultural field related with food. So, new fertilizers and pesticides have been created to give us better food quality.
Worked to see new weapons, or more sophisticated weapons, by the end of the war in 1945. The use of chemicals led to deadly weapons being able to the infantry soldiers, the most famous being the phosphorus grenade bomb and the use of the napalm. The classic counterpunch against war gases is the gas mask, which covers the faces in ice and filters the air used in breathing. Some of the war gases we know are chlorophene, bromothene, and mustard gas.
The term global warming refers to increase in Earth's mean global temperature because a part of Earth's outgoing infrared radiation is retained by several trace gases
in the atmosphere, goods concentrations had been increasing because of human industrial, commercial, and agricultural activities. The most important naturally occurring traces gases that have the ability to absorb infrared radiation are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxides, and ozone.
Three possible solutions for the melting of ice caps. First, renewable energy source. If everyone switched from using gasoline for their cars, the renewable kind of energy, the ice caps may be saved. 2. Using less energy. Using less energy, such as turning off lights and using less gas, will cause global warming to slow down, leading the end of the polar ice caps melting. 3. Stop using certain substances, chlorofluorocarbons from the box sprays, VOC from paints, leaded gases, etc. All these gases cause pollution and make the ozone layer thinner.
By the use of the chemistry science, new medicines can be created changing its structure like insulin or penicillin. Nowadays, treatments for illness like chemotherapy had its basis on chemicals and radiation. Chemistry has been the key of all discoveries during the last century. We just saw few important achievements of this discipline, but we bet there are a lot of them. And we bet too that whatever you're doing, seeing, or talking about is chemistry and it affects to the modern world.